Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. This is the video about how to build a teacher chatbot on JavaScript. Step 1. Add console log statement with the message "Hi there." Step 2. We need to give the chatbot the name. Create a variable called bot name and assign it the string value of teacherbot. Step 3. Create variable greeting. And then, using template literal syntaxes, assign it to the string "My name is bot name." Template literal syntaxes it is when we are using backticks. To embed a variable value, you need to use $sign and curly brackets. Then console log the greeting variable. Step 4. Create two more variables: subject, JavaScript, and topic strings. Step 5. Using template literal syntaxes, embed two variables, topic and subject. In the string, today we will learn about topic in subject. Console log sentence. I'm not sure why they didn't add it to this lesson, but one interesting thing about JavaScript. As you can see in a code example, const age is a number. In JavaScript, we're not gonna get error if we just add age to the string. Step 6. From here we will study the length property. For now you need to define the variable string length info with value. Here is an example of using the length property on the word subject. Then console log string length info variable. Step 7. To get information about a length property, you need to use the syntaxes variable.length. This method will count all the characters in the string, including white spaces. To complete the step, we need to console log subject.length. Step 8. Console log the sentence. Here is an example of using the length property on the word topic. Console log topic length. Step 9. Console log. Here is an example of accessing the first letter in the word subject. Step 10. To access the character in a string, you need to put its index in the square brackets. Numeration in JavaScript starts from 0 index. Wherever we are counting strings, objects, arrays, it always starts from the 0. To complete the step, console log variable subject with 0 index. Step 11. Second character in the string will have index 1. Console log subject with index 1. Step 12. Console log sentence. There is an example of accessing the last letter in the word subject. Step 13. You already know that indexing in JavaScript starts from 0. So the first letter will have a 0 index, second letter index 1, and etc. If our string, for example, have a length of 9, and we starting counting from 0, the last character will have index 8, not 9. Every time when we want to access the last character in a string, we need to do the mathematical expression, the variable .length minus 1. Define variable last character, assign it to the subject, subject.length minus 1, and console log last character. Step 14. Define variable learning is one sentence and assign it to the string learning is 1. Step 15. Console log. Here is an example of finding the positions in the substrings in the sentence. Step 16. Substrings is a term that we are using for parts of the string. For example, we want to find the word love in a string I love to learn. There is a special method for these purposes, it's called index of. It will return your position, the index, where the word starts. If the substring, for example hate, is not found, it will return us -1. Console log learning is fun sentence variable that index of learning. It's supposed to return us 0. Step 17. Console log the same variable with index of fun and learning. The first one will return us the positioning of fun word, and the second one will return us -1. Because uppercase learning word is not the same like lowercase learning, JavaScript will consider it as a different substrings. Step 18. Console log. I hope you enjoyed learning today. We are done. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.